Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in this lesson we shall learn about volume of right circular cylinder, formula to calculate volume of right circular cylinder. Then we will solve some problems from exercise. Now, first of all, let us see what is the meaning of volume. Now, as I have told you in previous lesson, that this can is the best example of right circular cylinder. Volume means capacity in this cylinder, how much material can be accommodated in this cylinder. It is called volume. Now, as we have already learned in previous lesson that right circular cylinder is made up of several discs. So if we separate one disc, then the area will be pi r square. Now see this concept. When we put discs on each other, its height will increase and volume will also increase. It means that volume of cylinder is equal to area of base multiplied by height. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, like our video and share with your friends. So area of the base is pi r square multiplied by h. Now we will solve some questions from the exercise. Question number 1. Find the volume of a right circular cylinder whose radius and height are 7 centimeter and 30 centimeters. Now let us suppose that this is cylinder. "30 centimeter is its height and radius is 7 centimeter. In this question, we will find volume. Radius is 7 centimeter. Height is 30 centimeter. We know that the formula to calculate volume of right circular cylinder is pi r square multiplied by h. So first put values of pi, radius and height. Now we know that 7 square is equal to 7 multiplied by 7. Then this 7 will cancel this 7. And by solving, we get 4620. And it is volume of cylinder. Now let us solve one more question. Find the volume of a right circular cylinder whose circumference of its circular base is 44 centimeter and its height is 10 centimeter. Now again we will find volume, but here instead of radius, circumference is given. We already know that circumference is the circular distance around the object. Height is 10 centimeter. First, we will calculate radius because in formula we have radius. Now again put values of pi and circumference. When we will multiply this 22 with 2, we get 44. Now 7 will come on the right side and will be multiplied, and 44 will be divided on the other side of equality. Now we know that radius is 7 centimeter because 44 will cancel 44. Now we can find volume. Now we know radius as well as height, and the formula is pi r square into h. Again put values. Then by solving we get 154 multiplied by 10 because 7 will cancel the other, and multiply this 7 with 22. We get 154. Now multiply 10 with 54 and we will get 1540 centimeter cube. This is the volume of right circular cylinder. Now this is another question, and this is somewhat complicated. If radius of the base of the right circular cylinder is 1/7 of height, if area of its curved surface is 176 square centimeter, find its volume. Now again we have a right circular cylinder. Here radius is 7th part of height. Now notice that in this question we have not been given radius as well as height. Instead, we have been given area of curved surface, which is equal to 176 centimeters square, and radius is given as 1/7 of height. So let us see how we will solve it. First, we will write what is given in the question. We will find volume. Now radius is 1/7 of height. Now let us suppose that height is h and radius is 7th part of h. And we also know that area of curved surface is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by h. Now again, by putting values of pi, radius and height, because h is same, we do not know the value, and radius is equal to 7th part of height. Multiply this 22 with 2, we get 44. By solving this line, we get 196. Now taking square root both the sides, we get 14 because this square root will cancel this square, and 14 multiplied by 14 is equal to 196. And this square will cancel with square root, and we get 14 centimeter, which is height of the right circular cylinder. Now we know that radius is equal to 7th part of height. So height is 14 centimeters, and divided by 7 we get 2 centimeters, which is radius. Now notice that we have both the height and radius. So we can calculate volume, which is equal to pi r square into h. Now again we put value of pi as 22 by 7 and radius as 2 and height is 14 now. By solving square we get 4. Now cancel 7 with 14, we get 2. By multiplying 22, 4 and 2, we get 176, which is volume. And volume is always in centimeter cube because right circular cylinder is 3D, three-dimensional. It has length, breadth, and height. Because it has 3 dimensions, so its unit will be in centimeter cube. Dear students, let us see what we have learned in this lesson today. First, we learned volume of right circular cylinder. Volume is the capacity or space in right circular cylinder. Then we solved one formula to calculate volume of right circular cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to area of base multiplied by height, or volume is equal to pi r square into h. And third, we solved some questions from the exercise by using this formula.
If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, like our video and share with your friends.
I think you have understood how volume is calculated.